As long as God is with you, nothing will stop your blessing. You see, they will mock you when you were planting. They will laugh when you were watering your seed. They walked away when your life looked dry and empty. You cried in secret. You worked in silence. People thought your struggle was useless. But what they didn't know is God was watching. He saw your tears. He saw your pain. He saw how you stayed faithful even when it didn't make sense. Now hear this. As long as God is with you, no power from hell can stop your blessing. You will eat the fruit of your labor, not another person, not fake friends. The same ground you cried over will produce your joy. The same place they abandoned you will become your celebration ground. They can't stop what God has ordained, because God is with you, and that's enough. Drop amen if you receive this message and join our community for more. God bless you.
Ayan. Welcome to the Evolution Garden. Ito naman tayo, guys. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. Ganda. Ayan. So, ito na tayo. Tayo ay kapit kamay. Tayong dalawa. Nakangiti at kapwa masaya. Puno na yan, oh. Nakakatakot siya yung kunyo. So, para siyang ahas. Pero walang pun naman, walang dahon. Kung nakakita ng ganyan. Yan tayo sa baba kanina ng galing. Yan tayo. Yan tayo ng galing kanina. So, makit tayo here. Yan, yung parang kuweba. Yan. Yes. Wow. Tapos doon tayo galing. Ayan. Guys. So, tayo pupunta naman. Oh, yung kaibigan ko. Patras na ako naglalakad, guys. Look at that. Okay ba? Oh. Ha? Ayan. Oy, ang ganda naman nun. Puno to. Oh. Ayan. I love it. Grabe. Ganda. Talagang sobrang na-appreciate ko. Oy, tingnan nyo naman to, guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh, may kon pa. Nakakatakot. Pero bari-bari. Guys, ay naku, oh my god. Ayun yung kaibigan ko. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Evolution Garden. Then why they call it Evolution, I don't know. Ang arte-arte ko naman, eh. Look at that. Wow, presko dyan, be. Ayan, sige, dyan ka lang. Natawa siya. Dyan ka lang. Ayan. Ah, ito pala. Meron pala dyan. Ito yung ang ganda ng view, promise. Ayan, oh. Ano? Opa, nainitan talaga ako. Pero tiis lang. Tiis lang. Bato ba yan? Bato? Ayan, guys. Oh, diba? Ha? May tubig dyan? Wala kang dalang tubig? Anak ka ng titak. Punggol. Oo nga, no, punggol ang plano namin. Tapos nagpunta kami sa botanic. Oo, ang ganda nga. Oh, 'di ba? Parang ganun ko daw. Ayan. Turn around every now and then. Dito lang. Ano? Ma, ganun. down na ang ating kwan. Ulit. Turn around every now and then. La 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 la. Turn around. La 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 la. Lala, ay, may kon pala. Meron. Pero alam mo, dito, di ba? Tingnan mo, maganda siya. Ha? Halikan? Ikaw kanina ka pa, marami kang nagkikita. Ang lakas ng kuna, signal mo ah.
Ay, nakita ko. Ay, nakikita yun. Ay, wala ka dyan. Ay, natingin-tingin pa ko dyan saan.
Ang lakas ng signal mo, be. Hindi ko ako tapos. Ang ganda, tingnan mo kasi. Oo. Nasaan? Hindi ko makita. Nasaan? Hindi ko makita. I cannot see. Where? Wala ako nakita, be. Oh, diba? Turn around every now and then. I got a little la 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 la. Turn around, ra 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 ra. Halika na, maghanap tayo ng tubig. May bahay-bahay. Ano, magkikikon tayo, mga kapit-bahay tayo. Food court? O, di puntahan natin. Ay, 3 stone pala ito. Ay, akala ko. O, sabi ko kasi sa'yo, hindi siya kahoy eh. Bato. 3 stone pala yan? Ito mo. Hold on. Ayan. Turn around. La 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 la. Ay guys, wala lang. Mata lang ako guys. Nasa na ba yung kaibigan ko? Oh my God. Ayan. So, look at that. Wow. Puti na lang at mahangin guys. Yung kaibigan ko, hindi pa siya kumain. Wala kanina. Ako kumain. Tapos siya hindi. Ayan o. Super ganda. Masaya. Enjoy tayo guys. Uy, super ganda. Tayo galing. Doon tayo galing. Ayan. Oh my gulay. Where is my friend? Uy, ang sarap. Uy, ang sarap ng hangin. Grabe. I love it. Wala pa? Wala pa sa one dito. Oh my God. Saan tayo nagdakat ng pan kanina? Sandali, guys. Oh, diba? Ay, ang suga. Sarap ng hangin. Hali ka muna, kuan ka muna, minom ka muna, baka ma-faint ka, hindi kita mabuhat. Nasaan tayo? You are here. Hoy,
Malapit lang.
malayo. So, what? Hi guys, thanks for watching everyone. Salamat po sa ating silent viewers, members, super chatter, all YT team supporters, at sa ating mga kakabsat dyan. Thank you so much and God bless. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup. Mwah.